It's called the long goodbye. Every day, leaving your loved ones behind, your memories, your independence, your pleasures. Every 3 seconds, someone on this globe leaves the sunshine to enter the dark cave we call Alzheimer's dementia. You may know someone who has the disease right now, perhaps a loved one, and you can't help wondering, will I lose myself to dementia as well? Alzheimer's is the fastest growing disease in the United States and certainly one of the most frightening. Despite millions of dollars and years of research, we still have no way to cure Alzheimer's dementia or reverse its devastating effects. You are right to be concerned, but don't despair. There's hope. A cure will come. Some of our brightest scientists are on the case. We applaud them. Until then, you have within you the power to unlock your body's hidden defenses against dementia. No guarantees, but you can give yourself your very best chance for a bright future, one without that long goodbye, and perhaps also improve the future of your loved ones with dementia. We are here to help. Science tells us what your brain needs to thrive: clean water, fresh air, good food, less stress, proper sleep, and the right kinds of physical and mental stimulation. There's more you can do for yourself. You can improve your immune system by fighting inflammation and corralling free radicals. You can empower your mitochondria, those tiny engines that keep your brain cells energized. You can eliminate anything that keeps your hormones from doing their work. And perhaps most promising of all, you can improve your body's gut-brain connections. Sync all these elements together, your mind, body, and emotions, and you will be able to give your brain its best chance to maintain its current health. You may even be able to take back its past vibrancy. Your body wants to stay healthy. You are made to see, remember, and love your family until your last heartbeat, your last breath. We will teach you. We will stand beside you. And perhaps with new healthy choices, habits, and connections, you will continue to live in the sunshine.